Hi, today we're gonna test old Kenwood TS-180S. These transceivers are almost 40-50 years old. They are solid straight and they have all amateur bands. And we're gonna test it, how the performance of these old transceivers, to see their result, their reception side, and also on 20 meter, because my antenna is only for 20 meter band, to test on that band. For other band we can do the reception, but it's the daytime, so 20 meter band will be the optimum. Let's see how it works. The interesting thing, this transceiver has a drive knob, so basically sort of you are tweaking your drive as per your input of antenna, so you can tweak it little bit. I realize that while tweaking it you can bring the standing ratio bit lower, so it sort of function as a not complete antenna tuner, but if you have a antenna for similar band, then you can tweak it and adjust your drive to that input. Papa Delta 2 Alpha Hotel Quebec. Papa Delta 2 Alpha Hotel Quebec. Thank you. You are 5x9 also. 5x9. How is my modulation and audio quality? I'm testing an old transceiver, Kenwood TS-180S. If you can give me a little bit input, please. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
L'ottimo rapporto e ti auguro un buon anno. Ok Fabio? A te. Kochane, tylko zamawiasz i paczka przychodzi, nie?
It's 40 meter band. This is 40 meter band.
Hello.
Well, it's the daytime, so there is no activity on 80 meter. There are a couple of stations on 40 meter, local European stations. It's surprising to see a lot of activity in 40 meter band in the daytime. It's afternoon in the Netherlands, around midday. This is a Greek station trying to make contact. These are two stations, Finland and Great Britain. They are having a QSO. We'll see some stations calling CQ, then we can call them back. This transceiver gives a solid 100 watts on all bands, and it doesn't have a bells and whistles of modern transceivers, but it's a sort of build like tank. It's a whole metallic chassis, quite heavy, manual, no digital function or features, all manual. So this is a display difference which you can use while doing the memory features, and it's back to the main frequency. This is the microphone gain, RF power output, a delay, and this is the AUX gain. This is the noise blanker tune. So when the noise blanker is on, you can tune it, reduce the noise. I cannot hear the other station he's calling, this Greek station. Let's see to find somebody else. I also realized that the manual frequency readout and the digital frequency readout, they are not very aligned. It's 14170 kilohertz, but here it's showing 14205. But I know there's easy to calibrate. You need to open that and then align the manual frequency readout as the digital frequency readout and put it back. Easy procedure, but I don't want it to do that at the moment. Just to mention to align it, because it's not aligned.
Huge logistic problem to bring these vaccines quickly to everyone, but it will happen. We will get there, and I am sure that things are going to look much better very soon. I really hope so, and I cross my fingers. So, anyway, my very best wishes to you and everyone in your family. My best wishes for the new year, and I really hope it will be a very happy and prosperous and healthy year for all of us. So, back to you. 2 Echo 0 at Triple D QRP from EA4. 2 Echo 0 Delta QRP from Echo Alpha 4 Bravo 73. From a solid state amplifier. And my antenna is a 3-element tri-bander beam up about 12 meters, pointed at you, and it's a very nice 20-meter band today, I would say. Beautiful copy. The weather is cold in Madrid. The temperature now is about -4 where I am, which is about 38 kilometers north of Madrid. It is snowing a lot, and there is a lot of snow all over the place. Back to you there, Colin. Gold Mike 1, Mike Lima Whiskey from EA4 Bravo.
And this transceiver doesn't have anything digital except a digital frequency readout, which I can see is not aligned with the manual readout, because manual readout says 214 to 55 and it's a 14 to 90, so it's a 30 kilohertz shift, but it's can be easily adjustable to open these two things and align the manual readout as per the digital and put it back, so that will be not an issue. The features, basically this is power on off, and this is the meter. So you have ALC, RF output, compressor, and all those readings, and this is for sending. This is reception here, this is AUX, and this is just to send, especially when you are tuning the antenna. And this is compressor, slow, fast. This is the noise blinker, on, off. This is the attenuation, RGC and attenuation, and this is the automatic gain control, slow, fast, and off. We keep it slow. This is the mode, SSB normal, SSB wide. It's not SSB, it is SSB normal, and this is reverse. And this one is CW mode, wide, narrow, and FSK. So we keep it at normal. This is jack for the phones, microphone of course, and this has the capability to add 2 crystals of your own choice for the frequency, and then you can choose those things with the band switch also. And this is the memory, fixed memory or the VFO, you can choose it from here basically. So when you press, this is the fixed frequency, which can be tuned with this one little bit up and down to align it. And this is for transmitting adjustment, and this one has a IF shift, which can be handy to when you have nearby stations to reduce the interference from one another. It's quite effective. Later on, this feature Kenwood introduce as a SSB slope tuning, but basically that was also IF shift on the low cut and high cut. Of course, this is a volume, AF gain, RF gain, and the band switch. Here memory, you have a memory shift up and down display, and this is the for display fix, and this is for the VFO tuning, display difference, microphone gain, RF power, delay, Vox, and noise blinker tune. So it's very simple radio, no many bells and whistles. Let's see if we can make some QSOs. Papa Delta 2 America Hotel Quebec. Roger, this is Papa Delta 2 America Hotel Quebec. How do you copy me over? Papa Delta 2 America Hotel Quebec. Roger, this is Papa Delta 2 America Hotel Quebec. Roger, QSL, you are 5 by 9 in the south of Netherlands, over. 01, over. QSL 005, thank you very much. So we get 5 by 7, 5 by 9 from the Ukraine. Not bad.
But you stay safe, Willem. Thanks for the contact, and all the best for the spring when you get all that together. And give me a call on your two elements when you get it up there, please. Papa Delta 5 Whiskey Victor Echo Lima 07 Charlie Whiskey. Bye bye, thank you.
My name is Gary, Roger. What number? I don't work in the contest. I'm just calling secure to make ordinary QSO. Thank you. Beautiful audio. Well, good luck in the contest. Bye-bye, my friend. That's it. Not in the contest. Not in the contest.
Papa Delta 2 America Hotel Quebec.
Papa Delta 257.
You are coming 5 by 7, 5 by 8, 5 by 7, 5 by 8. The name is Arshad. America Romeo Syria Hotel America Delta. QTH is the Hague, south of Netherlands, over.
Oh, that's right. Papa Delta 2, and what is the suffix?
America Hotel Quebec. America Hotel Quebec. QSL?
Papa Delta 2, America, Hotel Quebec, no problem. Echo Whiskey 1, Mike. Good luck. See you next time. This is Gary. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Gary. Good DX. Hope to catch you down the log. Bye-bye.
Bye. This is Echo Whiskey 1, Mike.
So you have it. Transceiver is very good as compared to its age. Transmitting is good, reception is fine. Only thing I noticed that the manual readout is not calibrated with the digital frequency readout. That can be easy fix to take it out and put the same frequency on the manual readout and put it back. Other than that, yeah, it's a quite solid transceiver. Anyhow, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.